Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problems that are on page 4 of your OneNote. Okay, so the first example that we've got here, we've been told that we've got a reaction where sodium is reacting with iodine to produce some sodium iodide. Now, in the question, we've been told that we've got 46 grams of sodium and 253.8 grams of iodine, and we've got to work out the mass of sodium iodide that is produced. Okay, so since we're assuming that all of the reactants are consumed, and we've learned about the law of conservation of mass, to work out the mass of sodium iodide that is produced, we're simply going to add those two numbers together. Question 3 is a little bit different. Okay, so again we've got sodium reacting with iodine to produce sodium iodide. Now, what they've told us is that if we've got 34.5 grams of sodium, that will react with 380.7 grams of iodine to produce 415.2 grams of sodium iodide. Okay? Now, the second student, what they're doing is they're using the same amount of sodium, but this time they're reacting it with 450 grams of iodine, and it still only produces 415.2 grams. Okay, so the fact that we're getting the same mass of sodium iodide produced means that in this equation over here, we had exactly the right amount of sodium to react with all of this iodine and produce this much sodium iodide. Now, in this case, we've got more of the iodine, but we've still only produced the same amount of sodium iodide. So what that must mean is that only this much iodine has actually reacted, and we've got some leftover iodine. So to work out the excess iodine, we're going to do 450 minus 380, and that's going to give us an answer of 70 grams.